Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Great to be with you on a Thursday. Currently 8:45 a.m. Bangkok, Thailand time. That would be 21:45 on a Wednesday night on Wall Street. Traders, like I said, great to be with you. Coming to you with cloudy skies, very cool. And no, I did not get my morning swim in yet. I'm hoping the sun will just pop out a little bit and we'll be out there doing our thing. If not, I'll be at my desk. All right. So what happened in New York yesterday? Some bad numbers came out, and let's jump over there. We got a trade plan today on the beast, the pound yen. So that's our trade plan for today. We'll take a look at yesterday's trade plans and what we expect. Some of them are now starting to come to where we want them. So we even look like even on the Euro Aussie, we might get a another shot to take this to the downside. So we'll take a look. So let's get over to what's going on with numbers and good stuff like that. Let's take a look at commodities first, being that I have that up on the screen. Gold is up 0.68%. Oil inventory's got a bad number yesterday in the U.S., so that could be the reason for that. It's actually up at 1,256.85. Crude WTI is down 0.41%. Gee, that's not expected, but we're still above that 50 level at 50.94 on WTI. Brent, however, was up 0.26%, and we're at 54.19 on Brent oil. So that's a good thing. Natural gas is down just 0.15%, and coffee is down just 0.51%. Not that big of a deal. Let's take a look at our indices. So yeah, before I even looked at this, just a red day here yesterday. S&P futures down 0.15%. NASDAQ futures down 0.18%. Dow 30, first time in, 4 trading days, we have a red number, negative 0.20% on the Dow futures. DAX is down 0.53%, no surprise there. And the Nikkei 225 is negative 0.92%. And the dollar index is down 0.10%, and we're hovering right at that 100 mark. We're 100.37 on that. So what do we've got going on today as far as data? And I'll just tap on just a little bit what happened yesterday in the U.S. session with data coming out. We just had some really, really horrible numbers coming out. Services PMI for March was down in the red. ISM non-manufacturing business activity in the red. ISM manufacturing PMI in the red. Crude oil inventories in the red, right? And also gasoline inventories in the red. So a lot of red going on. What do we got for today? The FOMC minutes came out. Now I didn't see them because they came out. Actually, they came out at 2 a.m. in the morning. No, that would be midnight for me. Nope, 1 o'clock in the morning for me was 2 o'clock on Wall Street. So they're out, and I don't know. The dollar really looks on the charts. If you take a look at our dollar pairs, the dollar doesn't look very strong, right? Look at this doji here. Here's a New Zealand dollar in this nasty range. So we'll take a look at that in just a second. We've got today, really, it looks pretty slow until we get to U.S. We got ECB Prayet speaks today. They're calling that a medium impact news event. I'm sure I messed that name up and I apologize. And other than that, my friends, it is really so we got a lot of ECB. Another one speaking. We do have continuous jobless claims coming out today. Medium impact. They're expecting 250K for that. We got some FOMC guys talking. Yeah, pretty slow day for data today. I don't think data is going to affect our trading. It looks like a technical trading day. I don't see anything here that's going to, jump us at all. I thought we had, don't we have ADP today? Let me make sure I didn't miss that. I thought we have ADP today. Because tomorrow is what? Yes, it is. FOMC, Friday. All right, I don't see it. Maybe I missed it, but I do not see ADP and I don't see it from yesterday either. So I don't know if it came out or not. Well, I missed. Oh, it came out yesterday, and it came out at 263. ADP came out at 263. Can that mean tomorrow's job numbers are going to be high? It's going to be interesting. What are they expecting for job numbers tomorrow? Let's take a look what they're expecting here. They're only expecting 180. Well, I think they're going to get over 180 myself. Just a wild guess, but I think they're going to get over 180, right? All right, let's get to the charts. That's enough of that. So just take a look real quick at what we did in the past. Here's our Euro Aussie that we talked about earlier in the week. This thing broke our trend line, came down, and now it's back up again. Now it's taken out these highs, this resistance level. So now I'm looking at this 4150 area up here, this 4150 area here, and maybe we can sell off from there. So we just mark that. Just traders, just never leave anything to memory. Just write it down, or right. Why is that doing that? Why is that doing that? Yeah, so we want to do this 4150, and yeah, we'll do it that way. There we go. And we'll see if we can sell that, this Euro Aussie. So we'll see how that goes. But this was a nice move to the upside, and you know, the trade hasn't worked yet. But I'm not giving up on it. It's still, as long as I have it on my screen, it's not negated yet. Let it go up. I'm okay with that. It gives us a nice, better shot to the downside, right? Because the long-term bias on a daily chart is to sell this, right? All right, what else did we have going on? Basically, yesterday we had the pound, right? And we talked about the pound. Here's the pound. Whoops. Absolutely nothing here, folks. Just nothing here. There's just nothing to do here. You know, here's our entry up here, right? This is our entry up here. We're not even close. So, as far as I'm concerned, yeah, this is negated. We're getting rid of this. This trade plan's over. All right, so we'll just get rid of that. Come back to our screen here. Sideways in the middle of this, right? We're about the 50% fib here at resistance. We'll see what happens. I'm not looking to jump into this. This doesn't look very healthy to me. If it was up here, 25.53, I'd be interested, but I'm not interested in trading this mess, right? This looks like a mess to me. And you know what? The markets are gonna really slow down now, 24 hours before NFP tomorrow. This is today's plan, folks. I'm looking at the pound yen, and what I'm looking, this is a sweet little pair. Now, the pound yen on a whole is in a downtrend, right? The bias is bearish, but this was a nice sell-off yesterday. This was a really nice sell-off yesterday. So what I'm looking for here is let this come back up to the 50% Fibonacci level at 138.25. All my positions of entries, exits, and stops are all done reference fib levels. Awesome. Everything is done, and all I did was fibbed this swing. You know, I could have fibbed this swing. That would have been legitimate, but I just fibbed this swing. And we're going to see if this will give us a nice shot here. Let's get up to this 50% level. We're going to sell it. Where's our stop going to be? 138.43. All right, 138.43. So we're looking at like a 22, 23 pip drawdown on this. And I don't think that's bad. I don't think that's bad at all. And we're going to take profit at 137.71. And it's just over a 1-to-1, close to a 2-to-1 ratio. I do look at that, but it will not deter me from entering into the market at that. This to me looks like I'm going to probably end up just putting in a market order here and see if I can get filled, put my stop in, and see what happens. If I'm not at my desk. If I'm at my desk, I will I'll enter it manually, because I like entering it manually because I know I'll get in the market, right? So, but yeah, good stuff. It's not a dollar pair. The pound is weak. The yen is stronger. So why not? Let's take a look at it, right? Traders, thanks for being with me. Thank you for joining me at tradingwithbill.com. Just a mention of my friend Jeff. If I remember right, he's from Poland and sent me a very good comment, and I just want to explain what's going on. He was wondering why my videos are posted a couple of times onto Twitter or wherever. Well, there's a couple of reasons. One, I use a program called ScreenFlow to record and edit. I do very little editing, trust me. This recording. I haven't found in ScreenFlow how I can save the project to my desktop. I save it to YouTube, and what happens is it gets posted into Twitter. Then I take it and I put it on my YouTube channel and render it there. So that's why you're getting double posts. Also, if I put it on tradingwithbill.com, you won't see the video, you just see an announcement that the video is ready. Okay, just to clear that up. And I did put a support ticket into ScreenFlow to figure out how to save this to my desktop, and we won't have duplicate postings. All right, thank you all. Have a great trading day. Great to be with you. Keep the emails coming. Keep the comments coming. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.